today I'm going to be working on this new switch panel that I got. What I'm going to start doing, because it's 3D printed, right? So what I'm going to, as you can see, it's got the lines, but I'm going to try to make it just like something stock. All right. So what I got is this 2K Aerospray high build urethane primer from Eastwood. The guy that made this recommended something different, but I went ahead and we'll try this one out. And I did get the Landu Black, I think that's how you pronounce it, the SEM color coding. So he did recommend that, so it'll match perfectly with the Jeep trim color. That's what we'll end up painting it with. And then, but first we gotta get rid of all these 3D print edges. So it's just a matter of going in here and filling it in, sanding, all that good stuff. As we're doing that, I'm going to pick away at Project Gemini right here. So I'm going to get all the carpeting out, finish taking out, because I still haven't taken that bolt off on the passenger seat. So I'm going to get in here and start taking everything off the tub. And I may end up just cutting the tub in pieces. I'm not sure how that's going to work out though. So I'll get it all down and taken apart. I'll get underneath and undo the bolts. At least that's what I'll be picking away at it. So as I paint that to dry, I'll be coming over here to work on this. So it'll be a lot of back and forth. So the first step I'm going to do here is tape the edges of where the switches are going to go in, because we don't want buildup from the primer to get into those, because we still want to be able to fit our switches in there. been doing layering on layer and then just sanding down, layer, sanding down until I get the finish that I want. So it's starting to look like something stock right in here. So I'm going to continue doing the steps over and over again until I get the finish I want. So it's heading in the right direction. So I brought Project Gertie in here. Mainly I haven't started her in a while, so I'm letting her run a little bit. And then I took the windshield off of Project Gemini, and then I took all the carpets out, finished getting that seat out. So I was able to go a socket size lower, get it over that nut, and I was able to get it loose and without cutting it or anything. So that is awesome. And then not sure I'll do too much more to this today, but yeah, I put all the carpets over here, and we'll need to clean them up, sweep them up, and all that good stuff, and then put them somewhere where the cats won't get to them. And yeah, and then I wasn't planning on it, but I brought Gertie over here. Since I took the windshield off of this one, it's gonna go, the windshield's gonna go onto Project Gertie, so that way we can get it in place and get Gertie back on the road. So, but it needs to be severely cleaned, so I'll probably power spray it out, and I'll probably do that on Thursday or Friday. So, but that's what I got going on. I think I'm gonna end it here. It's starting to get pretty warm out. I need to get, it's almost lunchtime, so I've actually done quite a bit. So I'm going to continue spraying, sanding, spraying, sanding. I'm going to see if I got some paper sand somewhere to get into these cracks, or not cracks, but into the harder to reach areas, because this is good for like the outside stuff, but I kind of want to make this smooth too, although that's not a priority. Like, mostly I want the outside edge to look stock, so I'm not too concerned about that right there. So, but it's coming along good. But thanks for watching, guys. Hit like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.